Welcome back to Nooner Garage. Finally going to get you some videos and introduce you to the four-door parts car that we got. And you can watch me pull some parts from that and put them over onto the two-door here. And hopefully get this Nova on the road before summer gets here. Started calling this CarNova Virus. Getting the first look at the Honky Lips four-door Nova. This is a 73 Nova four-door, bought out of Prior Lake, Minnesota. Still got Washington plates on it. Not sure how long the person lived in the Prior Lake area, but that's where I bought the car from. Previously it was gold, and they repainted it, not sure how many years ago, but a long time ago, that kind of blue color there. Got a greenish trunk lid on it. Not sure if that's just faded from the greenish blue. Got some newer wheels and tires on it. Looking pretty nice with the dog dishes. This is all gonna go onto the two-door Nova that's in the garage. Got a 327 under the hood, supposedly. 350 3-speed automatic. And a full interior to be able to be pulled over. So let's take a look. See what we got. Got a multi screwdriver, Phillips and straight ends, and a pair of vice grips. I mean, not sure how many more tools a fella really needs. I can rebuild most of this car that way. Just want to take a look under here. It doesn't want to start real well when it's cold. I'm guessing something's wrong with the choke. So we'll take a look. Well, choke is there. Oh, it's got a choke cable. I didn't see that when I was inside. That's probably why it doesn't start so well. There it is. Choke cable. Oh, it does. Oh, now it's going to start much better. That's way more better. Need some lube on it. A little stiff. A little stiff getting in and out of this thing. It's made for a short person. The seat does not move back. Ow. Lever. Yeah. Stuck. Oh, it wiggled. Oh well. Seat's gotta come out anyways. I gotta come out. It says default high and low. Don't know what that means. assume that's an air conditioning vent goes there. It's got the fender vent, little push-pull dealies. See if there's any treasures. Oh, that's a turn signal thing in the majigger. It's where to make turn signals work left and righty. There's a bunch of those parts in there. Lock collar, spacer, plug-in air fresheners. Oh, no kidding, a manual. My goodness. 1973 title application registration certificate. Okay. Look at that. 1973 Chevrolet Nova owner's manual. That is really cool. Not current registration over here. Top shelf, we grow only in premium. Apparently they grow bolts. I don't know what those bolts are for, but they grew them. Emergency blanket. Very good to have. This thing came out of Minnesota and Washington, so let's see, we got some round type fuses. We'll save those. Got a Nova fender badge. Need one of those on the red car, because it said Lava. It was missing that first part of the N. Well, that's a good addition. Oh, what else we got in here? Pen, flashlight. Oh, that works good. I like that. Let's see, what is this? Kenwood for the awesome aftermarket stereo. Parts, locker parts. Oh, that's a little switch box that goes down there. In case it doesn't start when you turn the key. Got some more fuses. Air freshener. Snot rag. A piece of hose. What do you got? Woo! Oscar Mayer weenie whistle. Still in package. Mint in package. We're gonna save that baby. Ooh, this radio has a remote. In case you have trouble with the, distance here. Driving down the road, you never know when you're not gonna be able to reach one of them buttons. That's a good thing to have. Fender washer, another fender washer. Spare spark plug. It's good to keep those with you at all times. And some miscellaneous nuts and bolts. The good part is the cardboard glove box piece is actually in there and doesn't look like it has any holes, so that's a score. So car even mostly works. Anybody want a sugar skull pillow? I guess it's not sugar skulls, it's just two skulls lovingly looking at each other. That's a treasure for someone, I'm sure. It's not rag. Yeah, that one's mine. I was on the way back. A bit of junk. Got seat belt. Oh, got the 3-point seat belts that you tuck up above. Looks like they hardly ever been used, so not faded or nothing. It looks like they've been most of their life up in the tucker. Let's climb it back. Take a little peek in the trunk here. Ooh. Like we got a spare tire. screws stuck in there. Oh, look at that. We got a little blower motor. Little blower motor. Not sure what that is for back here. Oh, I got trunk ventilation on this. Looks like it bolts up above in the rear deck. That's kind of neat. What we got in here? Ooh. Got some door seals, it looks like. Not sure how handy those will be on a 2-door since this is a 4-door, but might work. Got a 4-way, regular lug wrench. Ooh, a bumper jack. These things are usually gone. That's cool. Put that in the bumper. Jack it up so you get higher. Go up underneath if you're brave enough. I got a pack of razor blades. A little rusty in there. Those will be good for slicing your fingers. Oh, got a lock cylinder. Looks like maybe for another Nova. Oh, a gauge set? What the heck? Nice. That's a heck of a score. And we got a air fan. Oh yeah, because the one up front is missing this lever. Oh, that's pretty cool. Cold, hot, off, de-ice. Cool. Oh, that's the switch part. That's cool. We got a bag. Another Nova emblem. Got a razor knife. That's probably where those razor blades go. Oh, there's one in there. That's a box cutter style. That's not razor blade style. Cool. Got some treasures. Today I got the 2-door Nova flipped around, spun around I guess in the garage, and pointing outwards because I had to get the subframe off of the 2-door, get the old subframe out of the way, and got this one sitting in here. About ready to slide up to the car here. And unfortunately I think that's a 307 instead of a 327 like the guy said, but we'll get it torn off of the subframe and bolted up here in a little bit. just like that, we have a rolling chassis again. Still got quite a bit to pull off of the four-door car, like the heater stuff. Not sure if that'll fit or not on a the four-door is a non-AC car, and this two-door is an AC car. It's just missing the housing there for the firewall side, or engine firewall side. But if this had been a 327 instead of a 307, I believe it is a 307 anyway. If it had been a 327, I was just going to replace a few parts and make it a driver, but now I have to spend money, so I'm back to not sure what I'm going to do with it. Still got the 60 LS sitting on the stand, a 307. I've seen several 400s and 377s, 383s, 350s. Haven't made a decision yet, so we shall see. I think that'll do it for this time on Nooner Garage. And we'll see you later.